Hello, our great viewers. Welcome to NG Technologies. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can check the hard disk capacity of your laptop or desktop. So, this video is good to go for you. Let's go. The first thing to do is to go to the command line interface. Okay. So, we're going to go to Windows button. Then, so this is what we're going to put. So, we're going to go to Windows button plus R to get the run window. Okay, then step 2, you're going to type cmd. Then 3, you're going to type a disk part. Okay, after disk part, maybe you can call this one steps. Step 1, then step 2, step 3, then step number 4, you're going to a disk part, and you're going to say list disk. Then 5, you're going to say select disk. Okay. For example, if you want also to look at the partitions, you're also going to look at partitions like list partitions. List partitions, then 2, then you select the partition. Select the partition, and 3, you can do anything about partition. You can delete it, you can delete it, you can clean it, you can name it, you can do whatever, you can encrypt it. Okay, so all these are viable through the cmd what? The cmd command. Go to your Windows button plus R, type cmd, then type disk part, hit enter. The disk part command should be one word. Don't separate them like disk part. No, it is disk part. For example, if you call it disk part, see what will bring. It will say the disk is not recognized, but when you say disk part and you hit enter, it is prompting you to accept. Then you say yes. It is going to bring another screen. So it is from here where you're going now to say list disk. Also, list disk, there is space between it. Okay, you can check now. But when you say list disk with no space, it is going to bring you options that you can use in the cmd command, especially for the disk part. Okay, but for us, what we are interested in is the list disk. So when you say list disk, you can now see we have one disk that is connected to our laptop, and its capacity is 149 GB. This is that is 200 and yeah, it is 150 GB. The status is active online. The size is this. The free space is 2048. Those are 2 GBs. The GPET and DYN. So if you got one now to select this disk, so say select disk 0, because its name here is 0. So select disk 0, hit enter. Okay. Select disk 0, hit enter. Okay, let's see. It is okay. The disk is now selected, so we can say list partitions. Want to see how many partitions is it having? So list partition, hit you enter, so you can see it has brought for us the partitions. Partition 1, which is system 100 MBs. Partition 2, which is reserved 16 MBs. Primary, we have 298 GB, and this one for 49. So if you want to check maybe you need to carry out some tasks on any partition here. For example, partition 4, you can say select partition 4. Okay, it will be now selected. So if you want to rename it, you can continue to rename, or if you want to do what, you can do what. So yeah, now we're done. We can now go to exit. So exit this part. Okay, and we'll exit the CMD command. Well, thank you. Yeah, hoping the video has been great for you. You now know how to check that disk capacity of your laptop using the diskpart command. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the notification button so that whatever video we upload, you get the message.